Hello students, welcome to the fifth session. In this session, let us discuss about past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Let us see what is past continuous tense. The past continuous tense, also known as past progressive, it describes the actions that were going on at a specific time in the past. It is formed using was or were followed by a verb ending in ing. Structure: subject plus was or were plus verb its base form plus ing or v4 form we call it plus object. Example: I was writing a letter. Here I is subject, after that was is used, after that v4 form verb plus ing, then a letter, that is object. They were playing cricket. She was reading a book. Let us see what are the uses of past continuous tense. First one, ongoing actions in the past. Example, I was working on a project all afternoon. Next one, actions interrupted by another action. Example, I was watching TV when the phone rang. Next, parallel actions happening at the same time. Example, while I was studying, my brother was playing video games. Next, to describe background actions in the story. Example, the sun was shining and the birds were singing. Next, for the polite inquiries. Example, I was wondering if you could help me. Negative and interrogative structure. Negative, subject plus was or were plus not plus v4 form plus object. Example, I was not writing a story. Here was after we are using not. Next, they were not playing cricket. She was not watching TV. Interrogative structure, was or were plus subject plus v4 form plus object. Means here helping verb we have to take first, after that we have to put subject. Example, was I writing a story? Was she singing a song? Were they playing cricket? Now let us see past perfect tense. The past perfect tense indicates an action that was completed before another action or time in the past. It is formed using had plus the past participle of the verb. Structure is subject plus had plus past participle or V3 form. Example, the train had arrived before I reached the station. We had finished the work before the guest came. Uses of past perfect tense: to indicate an action completed before another past action. This is the most common use. The past perfect highlights the earlier action. It means two actions occurred in the past. Which action occurred first? For that we have to use simple past perfect tense. Example, by the time I arrived, the movie had started. The movie starting happened before your arrival. She had already eaten when I called her. She ate before you called. Then in conditional sentences, this describes hypothetical situations in the past. Example, if I had known you were coming, I would have baked a cake. Next, in reported speech, when reporting what someone said about the past, the past perfect is used to show the action in the original statement. Example, he said, I finished my work. In the reported speech, it becomes, he said that he had finished his work. Next, duration up to a point in the past. The past perfect can be used to describe an action that started in the past and continued up to a specific point in the past. Example, by the time she was 10, she had learned to play the piano. Learning the piano continued till she was 10. Now let us see the negative and interrogative. Negative structure, subject plus had not plus past participle or V3 form plus object. I had not written a letter. They had not gone to home. Interrogative, had plus subject plus V3 plus object. Had she written a letter? Had they gone to college? Now let us see past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense describes an ongoing action that was in progress before another action or time in the past. It emphasizes the duration of the action and often indicates that the action was interrupted or continued until a specific point in the past. Structure is subject plus had been plus verb its base form plus ing plus since or for. For example, Raju had been studying in USA when I was studying my PhD. He had been playing cricket for 2 hours. She had been studying for hours when her friends arrived. Uses of past perfect continuous tense. First one, to describe an action that was ongoing before another past action or time. This is the most common use, highlighting the duration of the action leading up to another past event. Example, by the time the police arrived, the suspect had been running for several blocks. Next, to show the cause of the past event. The past perfect continuous can explain why something happened in the past. Example, she was tired because she had been working late the night before. Next, in reported speech, we can use example, I have been gardening all afternoon, said Jane. In the reported speech, it becomes Jane said that she had been gardening all afternoon. Next, negative and interrogative structure. Negative, subject plus had not plus been plus present participle means base plus ing. Example, he had not been playing cricket for 2 hours. Interrogative, had plus subject plus been plus present participle. Example, had he been playing cricket for 2 hours? So this is all about past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Thank you.